Our saffron comes from Spain and Iran. It's basically the best saffron you can get in the world. Currently, it's coming out of Spain. This is a 1 ounce can of saffron, premium ultra select grade. This is a gift box 1 ounce can of saffron. They're both in stock, ready to go. They come sealed. Open the seal here. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, a little gift bag. Yeah, wow, I can smell it from here. Look at the length of those threads in there. We're going to open this up and show it to you here. Just how nice this stuff is. It's ultra select. It takes thousands and thousands of flowers, all hand-picked, to get this saffron. There you go. Wow, look at that. We'll put a little bit over here on the plate for you. Wow, so strong. You can see just how nice those saffron threads are. They're really long and they're fat, and that's what you're looking for when you buy saffron. Of course, it's the smell, it's the flavor, and you want the strong color. But wow, I'm going to zoom in and show you just how nice it is. To reconstitute saffron, simply take a small amount, what you're going to use. This is only enough for, you know, 1 serving. Add a tiny bit of hot water or stock. Chicken stock works. We're going to put just a little bit of water in there. Okay, you can see the color. This is important. Strong saffron is going to let off a lot of pure yellow color, as well as an incredible flavor. So you can see that, how nice it is, and the color. And I can tell you, just by tasting the saffron and smelling it, you're enjoying the full flavor and the body of this high quality spice. Check it out. It's in stock. This is after only a few seconds. Look at that color. Nice long threads, dark, rich color and flavor. It's incredible in paella. It's good with rice. You can have it in soup. It's very good health benefits, good for you. All these spices are in stock. Herbs, pots, pans, tongs, ladles, stainless steel tables, baby tongs like this, everything a chef could want. Butcher blocks, knife sharpeners, garnishing tools, all in stock. chefdepot.com. You can see the color of the saffron is really, really nice. Beautiful. Long threads. It's dried to the perfect amount of humidity. There's no moisture in here. It's really, really nice saffron, really fine. So you owe it to yourself to get the best. Check it out. Visit the website. Pick it up. Believe they got the lowest price online as well as the highest quality. And that is chefdepot.com.